Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, alishanmao here. Today in this video we are going to take a look and review this little charger here. This is ISDT smart charger SC-620 500 watt 20 amp. Now look at the size of this charger. This is very small, lightweight and compact, and it is a smart balance charger which will charge various type of batteries right outside the box once you power it up. Now I have a number of chargers at home and I have reviewed a couple of them before. At home I use balance chargers that can charge multiple batteries at the same time. Right now I'm using one charger that charges 4 batteries and balances them at the same time. But when I'm outside flying, sometimes I do feel the need of a charger. I wish I had a charger that I could use to charge the batteries right away using my car battery or powering it up by using the car battery. So now this ISDT smart charger is actually gonna fulfill that wish. It will power up with my car battery and charge the batteries right away. I mean one battery at least right away while I'm flying with the other battery. So this will solve that problem. This charger now is not only good to charge one battery at a time at home, but also it's gonna prove very useful out there on the field. So now let's take it outside the box, read the specs of this charger, take a look at this charger and see how useful it can be. And then we will power it up using one of the power supplies that I have here, and we will see how well it charges the battery and how does it work actually. Now I'm not gonna move the camera on the back and focus it to unbox this one, because basically this is just one little charger in a box. Okay, this is how it comes in the box. First off, you have something user manual which says revolution starts here. Okay, and then it has the specs for the charger. So I'm gonna just focus the camera right on the specs so you can actually pause the video and read it. Alright, so these are the specs. You may want to pause the video and read the specs right away. Alright, now that we know the specs, at the back side it just describes the charger, and it also gives you warning that you have to power the charger with a suitable power supply and do not exceed the input voltage, otherwise you will simply burn the charger. Remember that mysterious smoke that makes your heart pump faster? Don't go for that. So here is the charger itself. That is all in the box, nothing else. It comes it comes with, so there's nothing else in the box except this little charger. So this is the front of the charger. At the right side of the charger, let me bring it closer so you can see it. At the right side you have one port for the battery, one balance port, one USB port, and one link port. Okay, and at the back side you have just one XT60 connector for you to power the charger. At the right side you have one knob, push button knob, and that is going to perform or carry out all the charger parameter settings and operations, including start-stop charging. There's a nice bright screen right here for you to see all the information regarding charging. Well, there's nothing much more to see, so let's just quickly connect it to the power and start charging my 3S batteries so I can do FPV once again with my new best friend, the Micro Skyhunter FPV plane. Alright, so the charger is connected to my power supply at home. Now I have set the power supply for 20 volts. There we go. Once the charger turns on, it will do self-testing, and after the self-testing it's ready for the charging. Now let me focus the camera on this charger and then we will go for charging. I have a couple of 3S batteries here to charge, so we'll start charging them one by one right away. Okay, so now let me connect one battery. I will first connect one balance port and then connect the battery. After that, everything is performed using one knob. Okay, now that the battery is connected, it's all up to the single knob operation here. So we will press it one time. Let me zoom in more. Alright, now you have start, current, cells, battery and tasks. So first we will go to the tasks. In the tasks you can charge, discharge or storage. Put the batteries to storage current. That means if you want to store your batteries for a long time, you can discharge them down to the storage current. Otherwise your batteries will be damaged while you're storing and not using for a long time. So we will be charging for now, so I'll choose charge. Then we come down to the battery type. We have Li-HV, LiPo, Lilon, Li-Fe, PB and Ni-MH. Okay, so you can actually go down and up and choose the right type of battery. Right now we're going to charge a LiPo, so I'll keep it on LiPo. Alright, then you can choose the number of cells. Okay, so this charger supports charging up to 6 cells. Alright, right now we're going to charge 3 cells, so we'll keep it on 3 cell. And then you want to set the current that you want to charge it on. Now the battery that I'm charging is actually a 1500 milliamp. So basically you might want to keep the current to 1.5, okay? But you can always charge it, safely on 2.38. It depends how your battery actually designed to take charging current. Well, let's just go with 1.5 for now, okay? Alright, and then go down and click on start. That's it, your battery is charging. Alright, you can see the cell voltage, each cell voltage. You can see what kind of battery is charging and how much current the charger is supplying, and mAh. You can see all right there on the screen. Simple and very, very easy to use charger. And of course at the home I can always charge the smaller batteries using this charger. For bigger batteries I have a giant 4-in-1 charger that charges 4 batteries sitting down there. Okay, not only that, you can actually plug in a USB cable here and charge your phone as well at the same time with this charger. So this will actually charge your phones as well, and I hope this can charge the phones pretty fast, because I'm really getting tired of charging the phone slow for hours. Alright, our battery has charged and charger has been beeping at certain intervals to tell me that the battery is charged. There it goes again. Exactly 4.2, 4.2, 4.2 volts. Thank you very much for watching this review. If you are looking for a small, compact, smart balance charger, very easy to use, ISDT smart charger is for you. You can find it at banggood.com. Use the link in the video.